Today, I came to Dora's house to play. But where is Dora? Will you help me call Dora? Dora! One more time. Louder. Say Dora. Dora!
Hi, Boots.
Hi. Dora, I'm so thirsty right now.
I'll get some water for Boots. What can I use to bring him some water? Find something that Boots needs when he drinks water.
Great! Thanks for finding the cup. It's nice and cold.
Yeah, but some of these things don't belong in my house.
Really?
Oh! Roberto, Isa, and Benny came to visit yesterday. I think they left their things here.
What do we do?
Let's return their things to them. Will you help us return our friends' things? Great!
But Dora, where do we go to return our friends' things?
Who do we ask for help when we don't know which way to go? Map! Right! Will you check the map? You have to say, map! Map!
I'm the map, I'm the map.
He's the map, he's the map.
I'm the map!
Dora's friends left their things at Dora's house yesterday. Where do we go to return their things? Roberto left his plate. Let's go to Roberto at the robot house. Isa is in the garden. Let's return the cups to Isa. Benny left his spoons. Let's go to Benny's barn. Where do we go first? Isa's garden.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where are the cups? Hi, Isa. Oh, Dora, Boots.
Isa, what are you doing?
I'm trying to water the vegetables.
And?
I need more cups. Where are the cups? Don't worry, Isa. Ta-da!
We have your cups.
Wow! Thank you. Now I can water the vegetables.
I want to water the vegetables too.
Really? Then will you help me water the vegetables?
Yeah! Yay! I'm excited! Ooh, ooh, ah, ah.
First, we have to fill up the cups with water. Let's count the cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 cups.
Where is the water?
If we press the water pump, the water comes out.
I want to try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whew, I'm tired now. Can you help me?
If you press the water pump, you can fill up the cups with water.
We just have to water the vegetables. Isa, how much water do we give the vegetables?
Look at the number of cups on this drawing and give that much water. 2. 2 cups for the tomatoes. 3. 3 cups for the cabbages. 4. 4 cups for the cucumbers.
Now, let's water the vegetables.
If you bring the water cups to the vegetables, you can water them.
Let's give them more water.
1. 2.
We finished watering the tomatoes.
3.
We finished watering the cabbages.
1. 2. 3. 4.
We finished watering the cucumbers.
The vegetables are fresh now. Thanks for helping.
It's really fun to water the vegetables.
With your help, we watered the vegetables. We couldn't have done it without you. Thanks for helping.
I'm the mat, I'm the mat.
He's the map, he's the man.
I'm the mat!
The vegetables are fresh now. Where do we go next? Benny's barn!
Hi, Benny.
Oh, Dora, Boots, I'm glad you guys are here.
Benny, what are all these?
I found out a way to make yummy ice cream.
What is it? What is it?
Putting fruits on the ice cream. Let's make it and eat it together.
Wow, yummy! Will you help us eat some yummy ice cream?
I want to eat some ice cream with bananas. Look carefully at the ice cream recipe and find the ingredients. What do we put here? Quick! Strawberry ice cream. What do we put here? Vanilla ice cream. What do we put here? Bananas. What do we put here? Chocolate syrup. Wow! It looks yummy!
I'm going to eat a lot of ice cream. look at the ice cream recipe and find the ingredients. What do we put here? Vanilla ice cream. What do we put here now? Chocolate ice cream. What do we put here now? Strawberry ice cream. What do we put here now? Chocolate ice cream. What do we put here now? Vanilla ice cream. What do we put here? Kiwi. What do we put here now? Oops. Uh-oh. Strawberry syrup.
Thank you. Will you make some ice cream for me? Excellent. 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 Right. Excellent. Right. Wow, it looks really good.
It looks yummy! Come on, let's eat it now!
Oh, what do I do? I don't have my spoons.
Benny, look! Ta-da!
Wow, my spoons! Oh, I left them at Dora's house yesterday.
We can eat the ice cream now, right?
The ice cream looks so yummy! Thank you for helping us make the ice cream. Thanks for helping!
I'm the mat, I'm the mat.
He's the map, he's the man.
I'm the mat!
Wow, the ice cream looks yummy. Where do we go next? Robot house!
Hi, Roberto!
Hi, welcome.
What's going on?
I have to feed the robot puppies, but I don't have my plate.
Don't worry, we have your plate. Right, Dora?
Yeah! Ta-da! Here it is!
Wow, thank you.
Oh, but you need one more plate.
Do you have another plate?
I didn't do the dishes, so I can't use the other plate. My dishwashing machine is not working.
Oh, no! It's not working?
To fix the dishwashing machine, it takes a long time.
The robot puppy looks very hungry. What do we do?
Let's do the dishes so we can feed the puppy on a clean plate. Will you help us do the dishes? Please put on the soap with a sponge. What do we put the soap on now?
A ladle to scoop the soup.
Rub them with a sponge.
Yay! We did it!
What do we put the soap on now?
A plate to put the food.
Rub them with a sponge.
Yay! We did it!
What do we put the soap on now?
to boil the food.
Rub them with a sponge.
Yay! We did it!
What do we put the soap on now?
A frying pan to fry the food.
Rub them with a sponge.
Yay! We did it!
What do we put the soap on now?
A fork to eat the food.
Rub them with a sponge.
Yay! We did it!
Wow, we finished putting on the soap. Now let's wash them off. We have to wash off the soap with water. What do you want to wash?
What is this?
It's a ladle. What do you want to wash now?
Please wash off the soap.
It's a plate. What do you want to wash now?
What is this?
It's a fork. What do you want to wash now?
What is this?
It's a pot. What do you want to wash now?
What is this?
It's a frying pan. Wow! We washed all the dishes.
The robot puppies are happy.
With your help, we got to feed the robot puppies.
Thank you for helping us do the dishes. Thanks for helping!
I'm the bat, I'm the mat.
He's the map, he's the man.
I'm the mat!
I'm glad that the robot puppies got to eat.
We did it! We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! We did it! We did it! Yay! Rubber jumped up and washed the dishes at the robot house. We did it! We did it! We did it! Hooray!
We used the water pump to water the vegetables.
We did it! We did it! We did it! Hooray! We ate some yummy ice cream with Benny.
It was delicious to eat the ice cream with the fruits.
Yay!